Hello and welcome back to the Corvette Kids YouTube channel. I'm the Corvette Kid, and today we're doing a question and answers. You guys left me 4 questions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Just kidding, guys. So the first question comes from K-Rock, and his question is tool bag or tool belt or both. And to be honest, you need both. You will need a tool bag. You do need a tool belt, but you also need to carry extra tools around, so you need, I suggest a tool bag, so my answer would be both. I usually just have my tool belt and then all my extra tools that I don't use, but sometimes use in a tool bag, and then if I need to switch them out, if I'm not using a certain tool, I'll put it in my tool bag, and then if I need a certain tool, I'll put it in my tool belt, so I go with both. Next question comes from Scott, actually 2 questions from Scott. Do you usually work with the same coworker, or does it change when you move from job to job? So for the most part, I used to work by myself. They would just change job sites for me and I would go work with other people. But right now I've been working kind of with an apprentice. And so the only time they changed my job, since I've been working at the same job for a while, they sent me to the bank a couple weeks ago, and then the apprentice came with me. So it kind of changes depending on the situation, how many people job sites need at the time. But for the most part, the company that I'm working for kind of keeps people together. So I always kind of see like the same journeyman and apprentice from job to job. Like if I work with someone at one job site, I'll see them down the road at another job site working together with the same kind of crew. So, or the same kind of couple, so journeyman and apprentice together. So the next question from Scott is, what is the expected completion date for my house? And I believe that is October 28th. I was gonna double check that before I started this video, but I forgot to. But I believe it's October 28th with an expected date of 2 weeks early, so around October 14th to October 28th. And the last question, sorry, my phone's out of storage, but the last question comes from Anthony Garcia, and his question is, has the coronavirus had an impact on job stability at all? I did go on unemployment for like a month, but I was on temporary, whatever they call that, a furlough or whatever. So I'm back to work full time, and other than that, job stability looks fine. Ran out of storage again in a 10-second clip, so I delete a bunch of stuff. But anyways, just really depends on the company that you work for. If you have projects lined up or how long your projects are going for. The company that I work for has several big projects going on, so it doesn't seem like a problem for us with the coronavirus, but maybe smaller companies, depending on if job sites are shut down or whatnot, or depending where you live at, what the rules are on the coronavirus. But that's about it, and hopefully this video answered your questions and was informative. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for leaving the 4 questions, and that'll do it, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. God bless as always. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you guys back here on Monday at the latest. Back to work, and that should do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out.